super excited about today's extra video. Did I say that right? I think I said it right. I hope it was right. But today I just wanted to give you guys just a little bit of juicy information. I was contacted by someone from Google, and if you didn't know, Google owns YouTube, and they have an application, a program where us as creators, we can do virtual meetups, and they gave me the opportunity to be one of the first people to try it out. So of course, that's an amazing opportunity because you guys are from all over the world, and we don't get to, meet up, give hugs and all of that kind of stuff. So I am announcing my first virtual meetup, and it's going to be May 18th from 6 o'clock to whenever we finish. And basically it's a one-on-one thing. So each person gets about 3 to 5 minutes to meet me and ask me questions, and really just we can get to know one another. I see you guys so much on like the tiny little icon from when you comment, but I never really get to interact with you guys unless you're in my members only group. And it is a paid event. For this very first one, I made the tickets as low as possible. They're only $5 a ticket. And that's not even what's recommended by the application, but I wanted to make it as cheap as possible for you guys at this time, everything that's going on. And so you definitely want to check that link in the description box if you're at all interested, because there are only 20 slots. There's only 20 slots, so definitely go check that out. Oh, you forgot to tell them why it's such a great opportunity. No, they're not supposed to see that yet. Don't pay attention to that. That's for Saturday. Today, we're focused on why this opportunity is so important for Blueprint DIY. The amazing thing about this program is that there's 3 different types of events that I can hold. What we're doing on May 18th is the one-on-one event where I get to meet you guys, you get to ask questions. Oh, and I forgot, we get to take, like photo booth pictures at the end. It's going to be super cool, so definitely check that out. But the other 2 opportunities is that I get to do an official meet and greet type thing where we do like 30 minutes of Q&A. I'm answering questions in a group style so that everyone else can hear everyone's questions. And then at the end, we open it up to like the personal meet and greets. But the third option, which is the one that I think I'm most excited about, is the workshop opportunity. This one I am super excited about because some of you have been asking for consultations on specific tutorials. And so if we have the opportunity to have actual workshops, that means that I can see you, you can see me, and we can go through these tutorials not one-on-one, but in a group setting, but a small group setting, so that you guys can learn, as you go. So, it's different than watching the video because you have to go back, rewind, do it again, see, try to see what you want to see. But this, you can ask questions, you can stop me if you get confused and different things like that. All right, so the next thing I wanted to talk about is, I don't know if you guys have been watching, but we are getting super close to 100K. We're at 95,000 right now. And first of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing, for sharing, for watching the videos. You guys are the reason that we are to the point that we are right now. And so I just wanted to say thank you. And then I wanted to tell you guys that I want to do a live video as we cross over. I can't tell you when that's going to be. So if you don't have notifications turned on, press that bell and then turn on all notifications, and it'll alert you. As long as you have on all notifications, it'll always alert you when I upload something new, or, let you know when I'm going live. Of course, if I see that we're going that direction, I'll try to post hours in advance. We're going live at such and such time, so that we know, we can root the number the number past 100K. So that's just something I would really love to share with you guys. Maybe I'll have a balloon drop or something. I don't know. The kids will be there. We'll all cheer, and I don't know, maybe shed some tears. I can't promise that I will or won't do that. And I want to do an official something. Well, you guys know that we're doing the giveaway. We're doing the giveaway for 1 subscriber is going to get a custom made upcycle by me. So that'll be a separate video. But I also wanted to do some type of celebration when I get my silver play button. So I wanted to get some suggestions from you guys about that. Let me know in the comments below what something big that you think I can do or think I should do to celebrate that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm so grateful to finally be at this place after 7 years. It's been a long road and a hard road, but I'm grateful to be here, and I'm grateful to have you guys to share it with. I hope you guys are excited about the new opportunities, possibly getting to meet me one-on-one, ask me whatever questions you may have, show me your projects. If you're working on something, you might be a little bit stuck, let me know, and we can, you know, real quick hash it out. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited about this week's videos, because like I did a little preview, I'm doing something very special to celebrate Mother's Day this week. So you don't want to miss. Thursday's video is another I try before you buy, and then we have our regular Saturday video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.